Kasorka jela hene khatari urisau kalarai bahkan phas sensaswa haulat ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nomor bakampat la ban pelong ya ke election da ka jingdon ka khlam covid aka jela ukanrat sangma menteri rang ba ka jela habakran bakilap thai khubor hadin ka jingelang jong kiken hun menteri ulayat hu ba ka jingsim ya ka nikarai kalong hadin balai slok swa ba ka tarak kot ka khia jong ka jela.
The cabinet today decided to postpone the general elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council to a date to be decided later, depending on the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the state. The second decision that was taken by the cabinet today was the taking over of the administration of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council by the governor under para 16.2 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India.